Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, light green color, yellow color, dark blue color, sky blue color, violet color, red color, dark green color, purple color, pink color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. Purple color. A for apple. Red color. B for book. Violet color. C for cake. Sky blue color. D for doll. Dark green color. E for egg. Dark blue color. F for flowers. Pink color. G for grapes. Violet color. H for horse. Yellow color. I for ice cream. Orange color. J for jug. Light green color. K for king. Purple color. L for lion. Red color. M for moon. Purple color. N for nuts. Sky blue color. O for orange. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.